Today we're going to go over what a blank firing adapter is, how to use it. So this is a blank firing adapter. It's a little plug that goes in your barrel, and then there's a little hole, a little port here, so it does let some gas through, so it doesn't totally plug your barrel, but it essentially mimics as if there was a bullet blocking the gases, so it can go back to your gas port and cycle the action of your AR. Okay, so to install one of these, you're going to back it all the way out, and you can put it on, this is, I do believe, like an A2, flash hider, bird cage, whatever you want to call it. Mine is loose because I use it as a thread protector, because I usually take it off and put a suppressor on there. So don't judge that, but it'll work the same. So it's going to go in these grooves right here, and then you're going to push this guy down, and then screw it in. Okay, and you'll screw it in, just hand tight. You don't need to use any specific tools or anything like that. Okay, so then you're going to take your blanks. You just put them in a regular magazine. This is a YouTube compliant Combi Mag, 10 rounds, so don't get mad at me. Okay, so I've never shot this before, so we're gonna see how it goes. Get the full frame here. There's a nice rock I can sit on. I'd say that worked pretty good. So I'll get you close on the action there. Cycle fine. Okay, it is getting pretty dirty in here. I'll show you when I'm done. I got one more. Every single one cycled perfectly. Okay guys, this is dirty. As you can see, I've just shot 4 blanks through there, and this blank firing adapter is already absolutely filthy. It's gonna make your gun super dirty, so you'll probably wanna clean it too, but honestly, I don't clean my guns very often and it'll shoot fine. Okay, so that is essentially what a blank firing adapter is. They're like 20-30 bucks or something like that. They're really not too bad. YouTube doesn't let me put links to freaking anything anymore, so go Google it. BFA, blank firing adapter, AR, whatever, come right up. Okay guys, if you have any other questions or thoughts on that, please put in the comment section below. As always guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.